Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, March 8th. Seeing some cloudy skies out there this morning, and going to be seeing a little bit more of a milder day today with temperature-wise. Still going to be remaining below average, however. Does look like our high temperature might have already occurred this morning as we get this system starting to move in from the west. That'll help to drop our temperatures a few degrees throughout the day. Then we'll have a more mild night temperature-wise tonight. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, did see a chilly day across the region. Temperatures mainly remaining in the mid-40s for highs across the area. Dover was the cool spot, only spot unable to get up to that 40-degree mark. This morning did see some slightly more seasonable lows across the area. Here at Wallops we got down to 30. Did see temperatures in the mid-20s for many locations, and down the Tidewater seeing those temperatures in the low to mid-30s. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we were seeing some fairly light winds at the surface from the east, and then just above the surface seeing those around 5 to 10 knots. Those winds are then switching more from the west as we get from 6,000 feet on upward, starting at 23 knots and then slowly increasing up to near 90 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level this morning just above the 1,000 foot mark. Taking a look at our satellite this morning, we do have a large area of mid and upper level cloudiness across the mid-Atlantic this morning. That will continue to increase as we go throughout the day. We do have a little bit of an enhancement on the radar about to move over the Wallops area. We are dealing with some drier low levels, so not too much of that's reaching the ground, but it does look like there is a slight chance we could be seeing some sprinkles here in the next hour or two. So don't be surprised if you see a couple sprinkles. Not really expecting too much measurable rainfall until we get into late this afternoon, though. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we do have still high pressure across the northeast. That's helping to give us some more easterly flow across the region. We do have that stationary front across portions of the Carolinas, and we got a weak low riding along that front. And that's going to continue to track eastward throughout the day today, and then as we go into this afternoon, bringing us some light rain showers. Doesn't look like we're going to really get too much of an accumulation. I'd say around 1/10 of an inch or so is all we're expecting to see as we go towards the late afternoon or early evening hours. Does look like most of that rain should be actually out of the area by 8 p.m., mainly falling between 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. in the form of light showers. Could be seeing still some low cloudiness and drizzle throughout much of the night and into tomorrow morning. So taking a look at our forecast charts for the day, we're going to be seeing some of that light rain shower chances increasing towards the early afternoon hours. As we go into tonight, we'll be seeing that rain really enhanced mainly between about 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. That'll be the best chance for any shower activity. After 8 p.m., looks like that rain is going to move east of the area, but we are still going to be seeing some high pressure just to the north of there and some lighter winds giving us some onshore flow. That'll help to give us still a chance of lingering low clouds and perhaps some patchy drizzle as we go throughout the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning. Still a little bit of a question on what our conditions are going to be like tomorrow. If that weak stationary front gets a little bit farther south, could be seeing a little bit more clearing. Otherwise, going to be remaining cloudy throughout the day and somewhat cool across the area on Saturday. But then on Saturday night, we're going to have our next system move. That's going to come in the form of a warm front, and that's going to be overspread and rain across the area Saturday night, and then lingering into about 8 a.m. Sunday morning. By about 8 a.m. Sunday morning, any rain shower should be east of the area, and then we're going to be in the warm sector of that low there that's across the northeast, and that will help to give us a strong southwesterly flow throughout the day Sunday. It does look like we're going to start off the day Sunday cloudy with those lingering sprinkles, and then seeing those skies become partly cloudy by Sunday afternoon, and very warm as well, expecting temperatures close to 70 degrees across the Delmarva. So taking a quick look at our short-term model to show you how this rain is going to overspread the area. This is what we have currently. You can see there is some weak returns showing up on this model that are about to move over the Delmarva. So we can't expect a chance of a sprinkle, not expecting really any accumulation as we still have some lower level dry air at the lower levels. And then as we go into late this afternoon, this is about 3 or 4 p.m., that's when we're going to start to really see the actual showers overspread the area. Then we'll get some just light scattered shower activity for a few hours, and then after about 8 or 9 p.m., we'll start to see those showers weaken, and then does look like by about 10, any remaining shower activity will be well east of the area, and then just seeing the chance of some lingering low clouds and drizzle after that. Taking a look at our weather chart for today. Like I had said before, we likely have already seen our high temperature today of 45. We've already seen those temperatures start to drop a little bit back down to the lower 40s as that system approaches and we get that cloud cover increasing. Going to be seeing winds southeasterly around 8 to 13 knots throughout much of the day, then weakening to 4 to 9 knots after sunset, then becoming light and variable after midnight tonight, and then as we go towards the mid-morning hours of Saturday, increasing from the northeast at 5 to 10 knots. We are going to be seeing just those slight chance of some sprinkles as we go through the rest of the morning hours of the early afternoon. Best chance of seeing some scattered shower activity will be between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. and then seeing a chance of just a lingering light shower or two until about 10 p.m. and then we'll just see that lingering low clouds after that throughout the remainder of the evening. As we go looking at our terminal forecast here, going to be just seeing those mid and upper level clouds increase throughout the remainder of the morning hours. As we go towards this afternoon, going to be seeing a broken deck at 5,000 feet develop, becoming overcast between 7,500 and 10,000 feet. Seeing some clouds near 2,500 feet develop by the mid to late afternoon. And then as we go towards this evening, when we start to get those showers, we'll see those ceilings drop between 1,500 and 2,500 feet, becoming overcast near 4,000 feet. After midnight, when we get those low clouds developing a bit, we could be seeing those ceilings between 500 to 1,000 feet at times, and that's going to be mainly after midnight and into the mid-morning hours of Saturday. For tomorrow, going to be cloudy throughout the day. Can't rule out seeing some sunshine, but it's looks more likely along the coast here. We're going to continue to see cloudy skies, a better chance of seeing some sunshine in more interior portions of the Delmarva. Going to be still seeing a chance of low clouds and perhaps even some patchy fog possible with a high of 48 for tomorrow. For tomorrow night, going to be cloudy. We are going to be seeing those shower chances increasing as that warm front approaches the area, and then seeing showers become likely after midnight Saturday night. We are going to be seeing temperatures rise throughout the night Saturday night, so expect an early low of around 42. That's going to be around sunset, with temperatures then rising after that. On Sunday, we are going to be seeing cloudy skies early. We're still going to be seeing some very light, lingering, widely scattered showers before noon. Most likely, those will all end around 8 or 9 in the morning, and then we'll start to see skies clear Sunday afternoon, becoming partly cloudy, and it is going to be warmer with that southwesterly flow. Expect a high here at Wallops of 69, possibly seeing low 70s across more interior portions of the Delmarva for your Sunday. So taking a look at our extended outlook here, going to be seeing temperatures in the 40s for today and tomorrow. We are expecting that chance of showers as we go towards this evening. Tomorrow is going to be cloudy to mostly cloudy across the region. Then Saturday night into Sunday, we should be getting some good rain from that warm front, possibly seeing some very brief heavy rain at times. And then Sunday, those showers will make their way out of here, and then we'll start to see those skies finally clear up, becoming partly cloudy by Sunday afternoon with a much warmer high of 69. Still going to be seeing some westerly flow for Monday to keep those temperatures up into the lower to perhaps mid-60s under partly cloudy skies. And then we're going to get just some high pressure building in across the area for the midweek time frame. That'll help to give us just some very pleasant, seasonable conditions near 50 degrees. Seeing that low, a little chilly Wednesday morning of 32 as we have that high pressure settled over the area, giving us a little bit of good radiational cooling. Then as we go towards the end of next week, we'll start to see a little bit of a stronger front approach the area. That'll be Thursday night and into the beginning of next weekend. So that will be what we will be keeping an eye on as we go into our forecast next week. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great weekend.